Hello and welcome! In this how to draw video we'll be drawing Peppa Pig's house. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yes!
Okay, let's get drawing. Right, so we've got our paper and we've got our marker or pen or something to draw with. So let's start drawing Peppa's house. So first of all, I'm going to draw a line along the bottom here. This will be the bottom of Peppa Pig's house. Yeah, and then we're going to draw a couple of parallel lines going up. So start in this corner and we go up about the same length as the bottom of the house. So we go up to about here.
Yep. And do the same thing on the other side.
Yeah, and what we do then, we do here at the end, we do the same as well. We go up. That's about the same height, so it kind of looks like a square. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do one more line because this house is kind of looking three-dimensional. So we're going to move in a little bit here and we're going to draw a line going up like that. Okay, so we've done that, that's good. So next we're going to draw the roof. So it's kind of it will be a two-sided triangle. So we go up from the second line and we'll go up like that. And then a bit of an angle, and then we go from this point here and we join those two together. Like that. And then we draw another parallel line, so it's going to follow this line here, but it's going to start from the back line here, and it's going to go on an angle like that. Yep. And then we just draw a line to join these two together like that. Yep, and then we'll draw another one to join that there as well. So that's the basic shape of Peppa Pig's house. Now we can go through and add some details. So on this side there are some windows. So we've got windows 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then inside those windows we're just going to put a bit of a plus sign there, just like that. Cool. And you've added lots of other windows, which is fun. Great. Okay, now we're going to draw the side of the house. So on the side of the house, we're going to draw a bit of a rectangle here on the bottom, because this is where their front door is of their house. Like that. And then we're going to draw, I'm just going to add a little dot here. So this is for the door handle so they can open up the door. Okay, and then above that they've got one other window there as well. So you can draw another rectangle. A little plus in it there, just like that. Alright, and the next thing from the roof, they've got an antenna. This is for their TV. So we draw a line going up like that. And then we can draw 3 lines going across. They don't have to be straight, they can be on a bit of an angle, just like that, so they can watch their TV. Right, now I'm going to add some more details. So, if you remember, Peppa Pig's house is on a bit of a hill. So, on the corner of this side of the house, we're going to draw a bit of a curve going down like that. And we'll do the same on the other side. There we go, so on top of the house, well, the house is on top of the hill.
Yeah.
Yep, okay, and I think I'm going to add a few other things in here. Maybe we'll add a cloud on this side here. Nice fluffy cloud. And it's quite simple shape. You just make all these little semicircles and they'll all join together like that. Great, and on the other side, you've already started. I think that's a good idea. That looks like you are drawing a sun. So we're drawing a nice big circle. And there are lots of different ways to draw the sun. Normally in Peppa Pig's world, it's a circle, and then it's got a few lines going out like that.
I draw the sun like that.
Yeah, you can draw it any way you like. Okay, so there we go. There's Peppa Pig's house. And next thing is to colour in. And we're back, so we've finished colouring them in, and I think they look really wonderful. I can see that you've made yours super colourful, like a rainbow house, which is cool. And you've added some extra details in this as well. Some flowers or cactuses?
Flowers.
Flowers, okay, that looks really cool. Alrighty, so happy with yours?
Yes.
That is great. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you had a wonderful time, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.
Bye.